In the golden age of piracy, legends were born on the high seas. Among them was Captain Neckbeard and his notorious crew aboard the pirate ship Golden Hammer. Their tales of adventure, cunning and defiance against the brutal 18th rolling of the Barrel Trading Company have become the stuff of legend. Join us as we uncover the true history of these daring pirates. Captain Neckbeard, born Nathaniel Blackwood, was a former naval officer turned pirate. Disillusioned by the corruption and brutality he witnessed, he abandoned his post and swore to carve out his own destiny on the open sea. His fearsome beard, a symbol of his defiance, earned him his infamous moniker. The Golden Hammer, a swift and heavily armed vessel, was the pride of Captain Neckbeard's fleet. With a crew of hardened sailors, the ship was a force to be reckoned with. They plundered merchant vessels and eluded capture with uncanny skill, becoming a thorn in the side of the authorities. Neckbeard's crew was a motley assortment of outcasts and adventurers, each with their own unique talents. Together, they formed an unbreakable bond, united by their shared quest for freedom and fortune. Among them were Anne the Red O'Malley, a fierce swordswoman, and Silent Sam, a master strategist who never spoke a word. But their story is not complete without understanding their enemy, the 18th rolling of the Barrel Trading Company. This powerful conglomerate held a stranglehold over the Caribbean and the newly discovered world, ruthlessly exploiting resources and enslaving indigenous populations. Their brutality knew no bounds, as they crushed any opposition with an iron fist. The company's ships, heavily guarded and laden with plundered goods, were the lifeblood of their empire. They enforced their dominance through fear and violence, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. The sight of their flag struck terror into the hearts of those who dared to resist. Now, before we continue with today's video, let's give a word to our sponsor, Barrel Roll 21. This history lesson is brought to you by Barrel Roll 21, the future of cryptocurrency banking. In the ever-changing world of finance, it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. That's where Barrel Roll 21 comes in. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your crypto journey, Barrel Roll 21 provides a secure, intuitive platform for all your needs. With our state-of-the-art mobile app, managing your assets has never been easier. Send and receive payments instantly, track your investments in real time, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with top-notch security features. Barrel Roll 21 is designed with you in mind. Simple, safe, and reliable. And it's not just for individuals. Businesses can benefit too. With our innovative solutions, streamline your operations, reduce transaction fees, and access global markets with ease. Barrel Roll 21 is your partner in the digital economy. Why wait for the future when you can invest in it today? Join the revolution with Barrel Roll 21 and take control of your financial destiny. Barrel Roll 21, rolling your assets into the future. Download the app today and start your journey towards financial freedom. Now, let's get back to our thrilling tale of Captain Neckbeard and the Golden Hammer. Captain Neckbeard and his crew saw themselves as champions of the oppressed. They launched daring raids against the trading company's vessels, liberating captives and redistributing wealth to those in need. Each victory was a blow against tyranny, and their reputation as folk heroes grew with every triumph. The climax of their struggle came in a legendary battle between the Golden Hammer and the trading company's flagship, the Iron Leviathan. The clash was fierce and unforgiving, with cannon fire lighting up the night sky. Despite being outgunned and outnumbered, Captain Neckbeard's tactical brilliance turned the tide in their favor. In a daring maneuver, Neckbeard ordered the Golden Hammer to ram the Iron Leviathan, leading his crew in a fearless boarding action. The battle was brutal, with both sides suffering heavy losses. But in the end, it was the pirates who emerged victorious, dealing a crippling blow to the trading company's power. With the defeat of the Iron Leviathan, the 18th rolling of the Barrel Trading Company's grip on the Caribbean began to wane. Captain Neckbeard and his crew continued their fight for freedom, becoming legends in their own time. Their legacy lives on, a testament to the enduring spirit of those who dared to defy tyranny. So ends the tale of Captain Neckbeard and the Golden Hammer, a story of rebellion, bravery, and the relentless pursuit of justice. Until next time, may the winds of fortune be at your back, and may you always find your own path to freedom.